What could go wrong?
Brothers Bistro. Recipe so simple, even a dude can make it.
I'm Skinny King.
I'm Musclehead Kev,
And
and
we're
we're
the
the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. Here for your health. Almost missed you.
I know. I almost didn't catch on there. We're here celebrating Memorial Day, and we got a nice all-American dish we're gonna cook up for you here in a minute. It's grilled flank steak with potato salad. We're putting that in quotes because we're gonna make it out of cauliflower, so it's a little more healthy than the potatoes.
And we used a different kind of a steak. I forget what it was, but it wasn't flank steak because we couldn't find it in the store. So again, this is all about reaction and doing your thing, right?
And my brother made me change. I had some flat steak, some skinny. What was it called?
Carne asada.
Carne asada. Yes, I had some carne
Skirt
asada,
steak.
and he made me push it back because it was too expensive for him.
No.
So we got something cheaper. It's probably not going to taste any good, but we'll let you know. So here's the ingredients. I know it looks like a little overwhelming.
Man, it's too much, buddy.
but trust me, when I explain it to you, it's going to be better. All right, so we got the steak, and we got the stuff that goes on the steak. We got the cooking spray, salt and pepper. Simple. And then we got the chimichurri sauce. So we got salt, garlic. What is that? Parsley, oregano, chive,
Cilantro.
and cilantro. One of them
The other
cilantro.
one's cilantro.
And then what's that?
The chicken broth.
Chicken broth and the red wine
Vinegar.
All right, so that's what's going to make up the chimichurri sauce. And then we got the cauliflower, which we're going to do our potato salad.
We were surprised when we did the cauliflower. To note to self,
Yeah.
it made about 4 cups. One cauliflower head made about 4 cups of small chunkish size.
And that's what the recipe called for. It's called for 4 cups. And when we saw that, we were concerned that we weren't going to have enough cauliflower. And we know it's going to cook down a little bit when we steam it. So we're hoping that this is supposed to serve 4. So anyways, along with the cauliflower mashed potatoes, we got chives, we got red stone ground mustard, Greek yogurt, chives,
and red wine vinegar.
It looks like we got 2 sets of chives here, so we're gonna have to work that out. One of these chives belongs in the other one. Buddy,
Check it out,
Buddy.
Now wait, what?
show me what's going on with the cauliflower.
I was gonna show you, and you interrupted me. So we got a Gucci cooktop here in California. A little different than in Colorado. In Colorado we have gas, but this one we have P for. Check out the P, Ken. P for power boil. Right there, P. And it's gonna get that water boil. There's my cauliflower. It's in there. I got water in there under it. And it's gonna start boiling here because it's on P for power boil.
Okay, and then we're gonna go get the steak.
About 10 minutes. Here's the steak, and it's going out there right now. You can,
Okay.
You can walk out there with me, or you can just take a quick shot of it here. But I'm gonna walk out and put this on the grill.
Okay, come over here, buddy. Let me show you what I got. Okay, we got the cauliflower. It's been steaming in here. Oops, for a little bit.
It's soft.
We tasted it. We're just gonna set it aside for right now. Let that cool for a little bit, and we're gonna get 3 tablespoons of this steamy cauliflower water. This is a half a teaspoon, or tablespoon, so gotta get 6 of those bad boys. And then and as we're letting that cool, we're cooking the steak out on the grill. We are gonna make up some chimichurri sauce. It's all this stuff right here goes in there to make chimichurri sauce.
Show me what I gotta do.
Okay, so why don't you pour in the liquid stuff first?
All right.
So what's that? That's the
wine.
red wine vinegar. And here's the
Broth.
chicken broth.
Now,
Okay.
sauce.
Yeah,
What about the
salt, I think. Yeah, good. Mix that up a little bit. We had a
How about
whisk.
some of these things?
Yeah, that's fine.
I mean, that paste might be a little difficult. Here, maybe take the paste out. There you go.
Okay. This doesn't look much like a sauce. It feels like you don't have enough
Like
liquid.
a rub or something.
But when I see it in the picture, I see it is kind of a green
yeah, it's like a paste, like a little
concoction
paste, like kind of a thing.
that goes over the steak.
Okay.
So this is the chimichurri sauce that's going to go over the steak.
All right, and next we're gonna do the potato salad
When we
stuff.
come back, we're going to do the cauliflower potato salad. Yeah.
All right, there we go.
we're gonna put the liquid. This is for the potato salad, the cauliflower. Okay, there's some cauliflower water. And here's a little bit of red wine vinegar. And now we're gonna put in some of this not quite liquidy pieces. And we have an honorary empty bowl for the celery that we forgot. That's supposed to go in with the
That's optional. No, that's optional.
That's optional. Supposed to go in with the cauliflower. I mean, I'm supposed to.
It gives it a little crunch with it.
Yeah.
And then that's gonna go. You're gonna put all that in there, or you're gonna?
We're gonna toss this in with the cauliflower, and then we're gonna after we get it all thoroughly mixed, we're gonna put a little of it.
Let's put this one in here. We can mix with.
Okay. You ready? You might want to get your gloves on for this.
Really? I'm gonna mix it with this. I'm gonna mix it with this. You can go get your gloves on. I'll mix it with this.
Gotta find the thumb. That's the key ingredient to putting on gloves. You gotta find the thumb. Okay, so now I got my gloves on. I don't have to worry about it. I can just still.
You gotta put those chives in there, right?
Yeah, but I want to mix up.
I don't think they want it super liquidy because it wasn't super thick, right? The Greek yogurt.
That looks pretty good. It smells good too.
Okay. Put those little. Hand me that, and I'll take care of all the dishes.
Please do. Well, it looks like potato salad, kind of.
Okay, so here we go. Ooh, yeah.
And it's smelling like potato salad.
Try a little. Just put one little dippy-dip in your mouth. Let's see.
Woo! Look at this, buddy.
Ah, looking pretty good. There's the steak, and it was like a sirloin. So I ended up cooking. And then that's the sauce that's gonna kind of go on top of it, and that's our potato salad.
Yeah, so I'll serve up a little bit. You put that camera back. I'll serve up a little bit of this potato salad for both of us. And you're looking for about 5 ounces of the steak per serving.
Yep, after cooking, remember it's gonna weigh more when it's cooked.
You get it?
Yeah, you got enough, or you want a little bit more?
Maybe a couple of pieces more. Tasting it now, buddy.
All right, you can do it.
Make sure you get a little of the chimichurri sauce.
Oh yeah, that's true.
With your steak.
Mmm.
Nice job.
Okay.
It's a little bit more well done than we normally cook it, right? Well, it's not quite as pink in the center as we normally.
Yeah.
Cauliflower, good.
I think your first intention was better though. That we could have done more sauce.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Could have done a little more sauce.
But it's fine. Soft is. I mean, potato doesn't have a lot of flavor.
Right. Could have done a little more sauce. That would have made the cauliflower kind of punch up a little bit. But this is good, and it's relatively simple. It had a lot of ingredients, a lot of fresh ingredients.
There's a little bit of prep time because of the dicing up. And stuff.
If you like messing in the kitchen, this is a pretty good one. Probably, I don't know, 30 minutes probably total prep time.
Yeah. And it didn't take long. The cauliflower, it called for like 15 minutes. That's about how long it took on the boil. And
once the water was boiling.
Yeah, and then the steak was, 15, 20 minutes. I used a cool tool that we can talk about maybe at a later time or do a coaching clip. This is called the Temp Spike. It's a wireless Bluetooth. I gotta clean it up after our last cook. But it connects to your phone, kind of like what the Rectech does in Colorado, but it does it remotely with the probe.
You don't have to throw out your barbecue and buy a whole new barbecue.
No, right. You can just get another probe
for $100 or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so give it a try. Make sure you go over, turn on the post notifications, hit the subscribe, and give us a big thumbs up.
And we will see you in the next one.
That's right.
We're going to be prepping for 4th of July.
Who knows? Father's Day, it's right around the corner. We did Memorial Day this time, so, Father's Day is right around the corner.
All right.
Brothers Bistro, here for your health.